अजनबी तुम जाने पहचाने से लगते हो, अजनबी तुम जाने पहचाने से लगते हो। ये बड़ी अजीब सी बात है कि नई नई मुलाकात है, फिर भी जाने क्यों अजनबी तुम जाने पहचाने से लगते हो। तुमने कभी प्यार किया था किसी राही से, कभी प्यार किया था किसी राही से, तुमने कभी वादा किया था किसी साथी से। न वो प्यार रहा न वो बात रही, फिर भी जाने क्यों अजनबी तुम जाने पहचाने से लगते हो। अजनबी दिल में रहे और हमारा दिल तोड़ दिया, साथ चले मोड़ पे आके हमें छोड़ दिया। तुम हो कहीं और हम कहीं, फिर भी जाने क्यों अजनबी तुम जाने पहचाने से लगते हो। ये बड़ी अजीब सी बात है कि नई नई मुलाकात है, फिर भी जाने क्यों अजनबी तुम जाने पहचाने से लगते हो। अजनबी नजदीकियां बन गई, अजब इत्तेफाक है। दूरियां नजदीकियां बन गई, अजब इत्तेफाक है।
कह डाली कितनी बातें अनकही, अजब इत्तेफाक है। कह डाली कितनी बातें अनकही, अजब इत्तेफाक है।
नजदीकियां बन गई, अजब इत्तेफाक है। ऐसे मिली दो निगाहें, मिलती हैं जैसे दो राहें। जागी ये उल्फत पुरानी, गाने लगी हैं फिजाएं। ऐसे मिली दो निगाहें, मिलती हैं जैसे दो राहें। जागी ये उल्फत पुरानी, गाने लगी हैं फिजाएं। प्यार की शहनाइयां बज गई, अजब इत्तेफाक है। दूरियां नजदीकियां बन गई, अजब इत्तेफाक है।
कह डाली कितनी बातें अनकही, अजब इत्तेफाक है। इत्तेफाक है।
दूरियां नजदीकियां बन गई, अजब इत्तेफाक है।
कह डाली कितनी बातें अनकही, अजब इत्तेफाक है।
कभी अजनबी थे, अब तो मेरी जिंदगी हो। सपनों में देखा था जिसको, साथी पुराने तुम ही हो। पहले कभी अजनबी थे, अब तो मेरी जिंदगी हो। सपनों में देखा था जिसको, साथी पुराने तुम ही हो। बस्तियां अरमान की बस गई, अजब इत्तेफाक है। दूरियां नजदीकियां बन गई, अजब इत्तेफाक है।
कह डाली कितनी बातें अनकही, अजब इत्तेफाक है।
दूरियां नजदीकियां बन गई, अजब इत्तेफाक है। देखा न है रे, सोचा न है रे, रख दी निशाने पे जान। कदमों में तेरे निकले मेरा दम, है बस यही अरमान। देखा न है रे, सोचा न है रे, रख दी निशाने पे जान। कदमों में तेरे निकले मेरा दम, है बस यही अरमान। अरे डोले 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 मिट जाएंगे मर जाएंगे, काम कोई कर जाएंगे। मर के भी चैन न मिले तो जाएंगे यारों कहाँ। मिट जाएंगे मर जाएंगे, काम कोई कर जाएंगे। मर के भी चैन न मिले तो जाएंगे यारों कहाँ। अरे देखा न है रे, सोचा न है रे, रख दी निशाने पे जान। कदमों में तेरे निकले मेरा दम, है बस यही अरमान। कातिल है कौन कहा नहीं जाए, चुप भी तो रहा नहीं जाए। बुलबुल है कौन कौन सही यार, कुछ तो कहो मेरी जान। कातिल है कौन कहा नहीं जाए, चुप भी तो रहा नहीं जाए। बुलबुल है कौन कौन सही यार, कुछ तो कहो रे मेरी जान। अरे देखा न है रे, सोचा न है रे, रख दी निशाने पे जान। कदमों में तेरे निकले मेरा दम, है बस यही अरमान। से चले खाके कसम, छोड़ेंगे पीछा न हम। सर पे कफन बांधे हुए आया दीवाना यहाँ। घर से चले खाके कसम, छोड़ेंगे पीछा न हम। सर पे कफन बांधे हुए आया दीवाना यहाँ। अरे देखा न आए रे सो जाना, आए रे रख दी निशाने पे जान। कदमों में तेरे निकले मेरा दम, है बस यही अरमान। आते जाते खूबसूरत आवारा सड़कों पे, कभी कभी इत्तेफाक से। आते जाते खूबसूरत आवारा सड़कों पे, कभी कभी इत्तेफाक से। कितने अनजान लोग मिल जाते हैं, उनमें से कुछ लोग भूल जाते हैं, कुछ याद रह जाते हैं। उनमें से कुछ लोग भूल जाते हैं, कुछ याद रह जाते हैं। आते जाते खूबसूरत आवारा सड़कों पे, कभी कभी इत्तेफाक से। कितने अनजान लोग मिल जाते हैं, उनमें से कुछ लोग भूल जाते हैं, कुछ याद रह जाते हैं। उनमें से कुछ लोग भूल जाते हैं, कुछ याद रह जाते हैं। आवाज की दुनिया के दोस्तों, कल रात किसी जगह पे मुझको किस कदर ये हंसी ख्याल मिला है। राह में एक रेशमी रुमाल मिला है, किस कदर ये हंसी ख्याल मिला है। राह में एक रेशमी रुमाल मिला है, जो गिराया था किसी ने जानकर, जिसका हो ले जाए वो पहचान कर। वरना मैं रख लूंगा उसको अपना जान कर, किसी हुस्न वाले की निशानी मान कर, निशानी मान कर। हंसते गाते लोगों की बातों ही बातों में, कभी कभी एक मजाक से। कितने जवान किस्से बन जाते हैं, उन किस्सों में चंद भूल जाते हैं, चंद याद रह जाते हैं। उनमें से कुछ लोग भूल जाते हैं, कुछ याद रह जाते हैं। तकदीर मुझ पे मेहरबान है, जिस शौक की ये दास्तान है, उसने भी शायद ये पैगाम सुना हो। मेरे गीतों में अपना नाम सुना हो, उसने भी शायद ये पैगाम सुना हो, मेरे गीतों में अपना नाम सुना हो। दूर बैठी ये राज वो जान ले, मेरी आवाज को पहचान ले। काश फिर कल रात जैसी बरसात हो और मेरी उसकी कहीं मुलाकात हो, मुलाकात हो। लंबी लंबी रातों में नींद नहीं जब आती, कभी कभी इस फिराक से कितने हसीन ख्वाब बन जाते हैं, उनमें से कुछ ख्वाब भूल जाते हैं, कुछ याद रह जाते हैं। उनमें से कुछ लोग भूल जाते हैं, कुछ याद रह जाते हैं। आते जाते खूबसूरत आवारा सड़कों पे कभी कभी इत्तेफाक से कितने अनजान लोग मिल जाते हैं, उनमें से कुछ लोग भूल जाते हैं, कुछ याद रह जाते हैं।
ये दिल न होता बेचारा, कदम न होते आवारा, जो खूबसूरत कोई अपना हम सफर होता। हो ये दिल न होता बेचारा, कदम न होते आवारा, जो खूबसूरत कोई अपना हम सफर होता। सुना जब से ज़माने हैं बहार के, हम भी आए हैं राही बन के प्यार के। सुना जब से ज़माने हैं बहार के, हम भी आए हैं राही बन के प्यार के। कोई न कोई बुलाएगा, खड़े हैं हम भी राहों में। ये दिल न होता बेचारा, कदम न होते आवारा, जो खूबसूरत कोई अपना हम सफर होता। अरे माना उसको नहीं मैं पहचानता, बंदा उसका पता भी नहीं जानता। माना उसको नहीं मैं पहचानता, बंदा उसका पता भी नहीं जानता। मिलना लिखा है तो आएगा, खड़े हैं हम भी राहों में। ये दिल न होता बेचारा, कदम न होते आवारा, जो खूबसूरत कोई अपना हम सफर होता। उसकी धुन में पड़ेगा दुख झेलना सीखा। हमने भी पत्थरों से खेलना, उसकी धुन में पड़ेगा दुख झेलना सीखा। हमने भी पत्थरों से खेलना, सूरत कभी तो दिखाएगा। बड़े हैं हम भी राहों में, ये दिल न होता बेचारा, कदम न होते आवारा। जो खूबसूरत कोई अपना हम सफर होता, हो ये दिल न होता बेचारा, कदम न होते आवारा। जो खूबसूरत कोई अपना हम सफर होता।
अरे दीवानो मुझे पहचानो, कहाँ से आया मैं हूँ कौन। अरे दीवानो मुझे पहचानो, कहाँ से आया मैं हूँ कौन। मैं हूँ कौन, मैं हूँ कौन, मैं हूँ मैं हूँ मैं हूँ कौन। डाउन 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 डाउन। मैं हूँ डॉन, मैं हूँ डॉन, मैं हूँ मैं हूँ मैं हूँ डॉन। अरे तुमने जो देखा है, सोचा है, समझा है, जाना है, वो मैं नहीं, वो मैं नहीं। लोगों की नजरों ने मुझको यहाँ जो भी माना है, वो मैं नहीं, वो मैं नहीं। आवारा बादल को, सौदाई पागल को दुनिया में समझा है कौन। अरे दीवानो मुझे पहचानो, जरा पहचानो, मैं हूँ डॉन। यारों का वो यार हूँ, यारी में ये जान लुटा दे जो। मैं हूँ वही, मैं हूँ वही। दुश्मन का दुश्मन हूँ वो, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे जो। मैं हूँ वही, मैं हूँ वही। तुम जानो ना जानो, मैंने तो जाना है महफिल में कैसा है कौन। अरे दीवानो मुझे पहचानो, जरा पहचानो, मैं हूँ डॉन।
ना। चेहरे पे चेहरा है, पर्दे पे पर्दा है, दुनिया में समझा है कौन? अरे दीवानो मुझे पहचानो, जरा पहचानो, मैं हूँ डॉन, मैं हूँ डॉन, मैं हूँ डॉन, मैं हूँ मैं हूँ मैं हूँ डॉन।
गाता रहे मेरा दिल,
तू ही मेरी मंजिल।
गाता रहे मेरा दिल, तू ही मेरी मंजिल। हाय कहीं बीते ना ये रातें, कहीं बीते ना ये दिन, कहीं बीते ना ये रातें, कहीं बीते ना ये दिन।
गाता रहे मेरा दिल, तू ही मेरी मंजिल। है कहीं बीते ना ये रातें, कहीं बीते ना ये दिन, कहीं बीते ना ये रातें, कहीं बीते ना ये दिन।
गाता रहे मेरा दिल। प्यार करने वाले अरे प्यार ही करेंगे, जलने वाले चाहे जल जल मरेंगे।
प्यार करने वाले अरे प्यार ही करेंगे, जलने वाले चाहे जल जल मरेंगे।
मिलके जो धड़के हैं तो दिल हरदम ये कहेंगे, कहीं बीते ना ओ कहीं बीते ना ये रातें, कहीं बीते ना ये दिन।
गाता रहे मेरा दिल, तू ही मेरी
हमराही मेरी बाह थामे चलना, बदले दुनिया सारी तुम ना बदलना।
प्यार हमें भी सिखला देगा, गर्दिश में संभलना। कहीं बीते ना, कहीं बीते ना ये रातें, कहीं बीते ना ये दिन।
गाता रहे मेरा दिल, तू ही मेरी अब कैसी अरे शाम जा रही है, हमको ढलते ढलते समझा रही है।
दूरियां अब कैसी अरे शाम जा रही है, हमको ढलते ढलते समझा रही है।
आती जाती सांस जाने कब से गा रही है, कहीं बीते ना ओ कहीं बीते ना ये रातें, कहीं बीते ना ये दिन। गाता रहे मेरा दिल, तू ही मेरी मंजिल। लेकर हम दीवाना दिल फिरते हैं मंजिल मंजिल।
लेकर हम दीवाना दिल फिरते हैं मंजिल मंजिल।
कहीं तो प्यारे किसी किनारे मिल जाओ तुम अंधेरे उजाले।
लेकर हम दीवाना दिल
फिरते हैं मंजिल मंजिल। यही कहीं हम यही कहीं फिर भी ये दूरियां यहाँ।
बाहरी दुनिया दुनिया तेरे जलवे है निराले। लेकर हम दीवाना दिल फिरते हैं मंजिल मंजिल।
कहीं तो प्यारे किसी किनारे मिल जाओ तुम अंधेरे उजाले। लेकर हम दीवाना दिल फिरते हैं मंजिल मंजिल। कहीं रहे यूं लगे मुझे मेरे दिल के पास है यहाँ।
मांग तेरे खैर हाँ तेरे बगैर दिल मेरा उदास है यहाँ।
आजा 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 हमको सीने से लगा ले। लेकर हम दीवाना दिल फिरते हैं मंजिल मंजिल।
कहीं तो प्यारे किसी किनारे मिल जाओ तुम अंधेरे उजाले।
लेकर हम दीवाना दिल फिरते हैं मंजिल मंजिल। भड़के चिंगारी कोई भड़के तो सावन उसे बुझाए, सावन जो अगन लगाए उसे कौन बुझाए, हो उसे कौन बुझाए। पतझर जो बाग उजाड़े वो बाग बहार खिलाए, जो बाग बहार में उजड़े उसे कौन खिलाए, ओ उसे कौन खिलाए। पूछो कैसे मंदिर टूटा सपनों का, हमसे मत पूछो कैसे मंदिर टूटा सपनों का। लोगों की बात नहीं है ये किस्सा है अपनों का। कोई दुश्मन ठेस लगाए तो मीत दिया बहलाए, मन मीत जो घाव लगाए उसे कौन मिटाए। जाने क्या हो जाता, जाने हम क्या कर जाते, ना जाने क्या हो जाता, जाने हम क्या कर जाते। पीते हैं तो जिंदा हैं, ना पीते तो मर जाते। दुनिया जो प्यासा रखे तो मदिरा प्यास बुझाए, मदिरा जो प्यास लगाए उसे कौन बुझाए, उसे कौन बुझाए। माना तूफान के आगे नहीं चलता जोर किसी का, माना तूफान के आगे नहीं चलता जोर किसी का। मौजों का दोष नहीं है ये दोष है और किसी का। मझधार में नैया डोले तो माझी पार लगाए, माझी जो नाव डुबोए उसे कौन बचाए, उसे कौन बचाए। चिंगारी तेरे मेरे मिलन की ये रहना, ओ तेरे मेरे मिलन की ये रहना। नया कोई गुल खिलाएगी, नया कोई गुल खिलाएगी, तभी तो चंचल है तेरे नैना। देखो ना, देखो ना तेरे मेरे मिलन की ये रहना। जैसे खेले चंदा बादल में, खेलेगा वो तेरे आंचल में।
चंदनिया गुनगुनाएगी, चंदनिया गुनगुनाएगी, तभी तो चंचल है तेरे नैना। देखो ना,
देखो ना तेरे मेरे मिलन की ये रहना। तुझे थामे कई हाथों से, मिलूंगा मद भरी रातों से। तुझे थामे कई हाथों से, मिलूंगा मद भरी रातों से।
जगा के अनसुनी सी धड़कन, बलमवा भर दूंगी तेरा मन।
नई अदा से सताएगी, नई अदा से सताएगी, तभी तो चंचल है तेरे नैना। देखो ना, देखो ना तेरे मेरे मिलन की ये रहना। नया कोई गुल खिलाएगी, नया कोई गुल खिलाएगी, तभी तो चंचल है तेरे नैना। देखो ना, देखो ना तेरे मेरे मिलन की ये रहना।
Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a comprehensive deep dive review of MomSilk.com, a company that's been making waves in the luxury silk bedding market. Now, you've probably seen their ads on Instagram or Facebook promising high-quality mulberry silk pillowcases and sheets that'll transform your sleep and give you perfect hair and skin. But here's the million-dollar question. Is MomSilk actually legit? Or is this just another overpriced online scam taking advantage of the silk bedding trend? That's exactly what we're going to find out today. We'll be examining their website, their products, real customer reviews, and giving you our final honest verdict by the end of this video. Let's start by talking about what MomSilk actually is. Mom Silk is an online retailer that specializes in silk bedding products and sleep accessories. Their main focus is on mulberry silk items, particularly silk pillowcases, silk sheets, silk sleep masks, and various other silk accessories. The company markets itself as a premium silk bedding brand that uses high-quality 6A grade mulberry silk, with a mom weight typically ranging from 19 to 22 mom. For those who don't know, mom is the unit of measurement for silk fabric weight and quality, similar to thread count for cotton. Higher mom counts generally indicate thicker, more durable silk. The sweet spot for silk pillowcases is usually between 19 and 25 mom, so Mom Silk's offerings fall right into that range. The company positions itself as an affordable luxury brand, offering silk products at prices that are lower than some high-end competitors, but higher than cheap knockoffs you might find on sites like Wish or AliExpress. Their product range extends beyond just pillowcases and includes silk duvet covers, fitted sheets, flat sheets, pillowcase sets, sleep masks, hair scrunchies, and even silk robes. The website has a clean, modern aesthetic with lots of lifestyle photography, showing their products in beautifully styled bedrooms. They emphasize the benefits of silk for hair and skin health, claiming their products can reduce frizz, prevent wrinkles, and provide a more comfortable sleep experience overall. Now let's dive into what Mom Silk offers. Their product catalog is actually quite extensive for a specialized silk retailer. Their hero product, like most silk bedding companies, is the silk pillowcase. They offer these in multiple sizes, including standard, queen, and king sizes. The pillowcases come in a variety of colors ranging from classic whites and creams to bolder options like navy, burgundy, silver, and even some pastel shades. Most of their pillowcases feature an envelope closure design, which means there's a flap that tucks in to keep your pillow secure without needing a zipper that could scratch your face or hair during sleep. Beyond pillowcases, they offer complete silk sheet sets, which include flat sheets, fitted sheets, and matching pillowcases. These sets come in various sizes from twin all the way up to California King. They also sell individual sheet components if you just want to replace one piece rather than buying an entire set. Their silk duvet covers are another popular item, available in similar size options and color selections as their sheet sets. These are designed to pair with your existing comforter or duvet insert. The sleep mask category includes both standard silk sleep masks and contoured versions that don't put pressure on your eyes. These are marketed toward people who are sensitive to light while sleeping or who travel frequently. They've also branched out into silk accessories like hair scrunchies, which are popular because silk supposedly causes less hair breakage than traditional elastic hair ties. Their silk robes come in short and long styles and are positioned as luxurious loungewear items. One interesting thing about their product offerings is that they frequently run sales and bundle deals. You'll often see promotions like buy 2 pillowcases, get 1 free, or discounted prices on sheet sets. They also have a rewards program where you can earn points on purchases to use toward future orders. The price points for their main products typically range from around $20 to $30 for accessories like scrunchies and sleep masks, $50 to $90 for individual pillowcases, depending on size and mom count, and anywhere from $200 to $400 for complete sheet sets. Let's talk about their website structure and the important pages you should know about. When you first land on momsilk.com, you're greeted with a clean homepage featuring large hero images of their products. The navigation menu is straightforward with categories for pillowcases, sheet sets, sleep masks, and other accessories. There's also a sales section, which seems to be permanently active with rotating deals. The site has a modern e-commerce design that's easy to navigate on both desktop and mobile devices. The About Us page gives some background on the company's mission and values. They emphasize their commitment to using authentic mulberry silk and maintaining high-quality standards. The page talks about their sourcing practices and their goal of making luxury silk bedding more accessible to everyday consumers. However, the information is somewhat generic and doesn't provide specific details about their manufacturing locations or supply chain, which is something to note. The shipping and returns page is particularly important to review before making a purchase. Mom Silk offers free shipping on orders over a certain threshold, typically around $50, which most orders will meet. They ship to numerous countries, including the United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, and many European nations. Shipping times vary by location, but generally range from 5 to 15 business days. They offer a 30-day return policy for unused items in original packaging, which is fairly standard for bedding products. However, some customers have reported that the return process can be somewhat slow, which we'll discuss more when we look at reviews. Their FAQ page addresses common questions about silk care, product specifications, and ordering process. This is actually quite comprehensive and includes detailed washing instructions for silk products. They recommend hand washing or using a delicate machine cycle with cold water and a gentle detergent specifically designed for silk or delicates. They advise against using bleach, fabric softener, or high heat when drying. The FAQ also explains their mom counts, silk grades, and what makes their products different from cheaper alternatives. The product pages themselves are well designed with multiple high-quality images showing the products from different angles and in various bedroom settings. Each product page includes detailed specifications like dimensions, mom weight, silk grade, available colors, and care instructions. There are usually customer reviews displayed directly on the product pages, which we'll analyze in more detail later. The product descriptions emphasize the benefits of silk, including its hypoallergenic properties, temperature-regulating abilities, and benefits for skin and hair health. Now let's get into what real customers are saying by looking at reviews from Reddit and Trustpilot. This is where we can get honest, unfiltered opinions from people who have actually purchased and used Momsilk products. Let's start with Reddit, which is often a good source for candid consumer feedback since people aren't usually incentivized to leave positive reviews there. Searching through Reddit, particularly in communities like r/bedding, r/beauty, and r/haircare, there are scattered mentions of Momsilk. The overall sentiment seems to be mixed to moderately positive. Several users have reported that they purchased Momsilk pillowcases and were satisfied with the quality, particularly given the price point. One user mentioned that while Momsilk pillowcases weren't quite as luxurious as more expensive brands like Slip, they were significantly better than cheap Amazon alternatives and offered good value for money. However, there are also some complaints on Reddit worth noting. Some users have mentioned that the silk feels thinner than expected, even with the 22 mom options. A few people reported that their pillowcases developed small snags or tears after several months of use, which raised questions about durability. There were also comments about color accuracy, with some customers saying the colors they received didn't exactly match what they saw on the website. This is a common issue with online shopping for textiles, as colors can appear different on various screens and under different lighting conditions. Shipping and customer service seem to be recurring themes in Reddit discussions. Several users mentioned that shipping took longer than expected, sometimes extending beyond the estimated delivery window. A few people reported difficulty getting responses from customer service when they had questions or issues with their orders. One user described a frustrating experience trying to return a product, saying the return process was slow and communication was poor. However, these negative experiences don't seem to be universal, as other users reported smooth transactions and satisfactory customer service interactions. One interesting Reddit thread discussed whether Momsilk silk is actually authentic mulberry silk or if it might be a blend or a lower quality silk marketed as premium. Some skeptical users pointed out that the prices are quite low compared to established luxury silk brands, which could indicate either that Momsilk has found ways to cut costs through efficient operations, or that the silk quality might not be as high as claimed. Without independent lab testing, it's difficult to definitively answer this question, but the general consensus among users who have touched and used the products is that they do seem to be genuine silk rather than synthetic satin, which is sometimes passed off as silk by truly dishonest retailers. Moving on to Trustpilot, which is a popular review platform where verified customers can leave feedback about their experiences. Momsilk has a presence on Trustpilot with a substantial number of reviews. The overall rating typically hovers around 4 out of 5 stars, which is actually pretty decent for an e-commerce retailer. Looking at the distribution of reviews, there's a mix of 5-star, 4-star, and some lower ratings, which actually adds credibility. If a company had only 5-star reviews, that would be suspicious and might indicate fake or filtered reviews. Reading through the positive Trustpilot reviews, common themes emerge. Many customers praise the softness and smoothness of the Silk products. Several reviewers mention noticing improvements in their hair condition, with less frizz and fewer tangles in the morning. Some people with sensitive skin or allergies specifically mention that they appreciate the hypoallergenic properties of the Silk pillowcases. The appearance and aesthetic appeal of the products are frequently complimented, with customers saying the Silk has a beautiful sheen and looks luxurious on their beds. Price and value are mentioned positively in many reviews, with customers feeling they got a quality product for a reasonable price compared to other Silk brands. Several reviews mention successfully purchasing items during sales or with promotional codes, which made them feel like they got an even better deal. The variety of color options is appreciated by customers who wanted to match their existing bedroom decor. On the negative side, Trustpilot reviews echo some of the concerns mentioned on Reddit. Shipping delays are a recurring complaint, with some customers waiting 3 weeks or more for their orders to arrive. A handful of reviews mention receiving products with defects such as loose threads, small holes, or inconsistent stitching. When these issues occurred, the response from customer service seems to have varied, with some customers reporting quick resolution and replacement products, while others described frustration trying to get their concerns addressed. Durability concerns appear in some of the 3-star and 2-star reviews. Several customers mentioned that while the products were nice initially, they showed signs of wear relatively quickly. Some pillowcases reportedly developed a rougher texture or lost their sheen after washing multiple times, even when following the care instructions. A few users questioned whether the Silk was truly 22 mom as advertised, suggesting it felt thinner than other Silk products they had purchased elsewhere. There are also occasional complaints about the envelope closure design. While most customers find this closure style convenient and comfortable, a few people mentioned that their pillows would sometimes slip out during the night, particularly with firmer or larger pillows. Some users wish there was an option for zipper closures instead. Color discrepancies are mentioned in several Trustpilot reviews, similar to the Reddit feedback. A number of customers reported that the actual color of the product they received differed from what appeared on their screen when ordering. While this is somewhat understandable given the challenges of color representation in online shopping, it was disappointing enough for some customers to mention it in their reviews. A few people went through the hassle of returning items specifically because the color wasn't what they expected. Return and refund experiences seem to be hit or miss based on Trustpilot reviews. Some customers who needed to return items reported a straightforward process and received their refunds within a reasonable time frame. However, others described difficulties, including slow email responses, confusion about return shipping costs, and delays in receiving refunds even after the returned items were confirmed as delivered. One thing to note is that Mom Silk requires items to be returned in unused condition with original packaging, which is standard but means you can't actually test the products by sleeping on them before deciding whether to keep them. Looking at the review patterns, there doesn't appear to be evidence of systematic fake review manipulation. The reviews show a realistic distribution of ratings, include specific details that suggest genuine customer experiences, and contain both praise and criticism. The timestamps on reviews are spread out over time rather than appearing in suspicious clusters. Verified purchase badges appear on many of the reviews, which adds credibility. It's also worth noting what customers say about the actual sleep experience. Many reviewers mention sleeping better on Silk pillowcases, describing them as cool and comfortable. People with skin conditions like acne or eczema sometimes mention that Silk pillowcases seem to help, though obviously individual experiences vary. Hair-related benefits are frequently mentioned, with users reporting less bedhead, fewer tangles, and better preservation of hairstyles overnight. People with curly or textured hair especially seem to appreciate the reduced friction compared to cotton pillowcases. Some reviewers compare Mom Silk to other Silk brands they've tried. The most common comparison is with Slip, which is a premium Silk pillowcase brand that's significantly more expensive. Most people who make this comparison say that while Slip might be slightly higher quality, Mom Silk offers good value as a more affordable alternative. A few reviewers also compare Mom Silk favorably to cheaper options from Amazon or generic brands, saying the quality is noticeably better even though the price difference isn't huge. There are also reviews from customers who purchased multiple products from Mom Silk over time, which is generally a positive indicator. If customers were dissatisfied with their first purchase, they wouldn't come back for more. Several reviews mention being repeat customers who were happy enough with their initial purchase to buy additional pillowcases in different colors or to try other products like sheet sets or sleep masks. Customer service interactions are documented in several Trustpilot reviews. The experiences seem quite varied. Some customers praise the responsiveness and helpfulness of the support team, mentioning that their issues were resolved quickly and professionally. These positive service experiences often involve product replacements for defective items or assistance with order tracking. However, negative customer service experiences typically involve slow response times, difficulty getting clear answers to questions, or feeling like their concerns weren't taken seriously. The inconsistency in customer service quality might suggest that the company is growing and struggling with scaling their support operations, which is common for expanding e-commerce businesses. One thing that adds some credibility to Mom Silk is that the company appears to respond to at least some of the negative reviews on Trustpilot. They typically apologize for any poor experience and invite the customer to contact them directly to resolve the issue. While these responses are somewhat generic, the fact that they're engaging with criticism rather than ignoring it is a positive sign. Truly scam operations usually don't bother with this kind of customer service effort. Now let's talk about some of the common concerns and questions people have about Mom Silk specifically. One of the biggest questions is whether their silk is actually authentic mulberry silk as advertised. Based on the customer reviews and feedback, the consensus seems to be that yes, the products are made from real silk rather than synthetic alternatives. Customers who are familiar with silk can generally tell the difference between real silk and polyester satin, and most reviews indicate the products have the characteristic feel and appearance of genuine silk. However, the exact grade and mom weight can be harder to verify without professional testing. Another common question is whether Mom Silk products are worth the price compared to other options. This seems to depend on your priorities and budget. If you're comparing Mom Silk to ultra-premium brands that charge over $100 for a single pillowcase, then Mom Silk offers decent value with acceptable quality at a lower price point. If you're comparing to the cheapest possible options on Amazon or AliExpress, Mom Silk is more expensive but appears to offer better quality and consistency. For most consumers looking for genuine silk products at a mid-range price, Mom Silk seems to hit a reasonable sweet spot. Durability is another concern that comes up frequently. Based on customer feedback, Mom Silk products seem to hold up reasonably well with proper care, but they may not be quite as durable as more expensive luxury brands. Some customers report their products lasting for years with regular use, while others mention signs of wear after several months. Proper care is crucial for silk longevity. Following the washing instructions carefully and avoiding harsh treatments will significantly extend the life of these products. Some people wonder if Mom Silk is just a dropshipping company reselling generic products from China. This is hard to definitively determine, but the company appears to have its own branding, packaging, and some level of quality control rather than simply forwarding orders to a generic supplier. That said, like many silk bedding companies, their products are likely manufactured in China, where most silk production occurs. The key question isn't necessarily where products are made, but whether the company stands behind their quality and provides adequate customer support, which Mom Silk seems to do with varying degrees of success. So here's the final verdict after this comprehensive investigation into Mom Silk. Is Mom Silk a scam or legit? Based on all the evidence we've examined, Mom Silk appears to be a legitimate business selling real silk products. They are not a scam in the sense of taking money and never sending products or sending completely fake items. Customers do receive actual silk bedding products that generally match the descriptions on the website. However, legit doesn't necessarily mean perfect or without any concerns. Mom Silk seems to be a mid-range silk bedding retailer that offers decent quality products at reasonable prices, but with some inconsistencies in product quality, shipping times, and customer service. They're not a luxury premium brand, but they're also not a bottom-of-the-barrel cheap knockoff operation. They fall somewhere in the middle, which is actually where they position themselves in the market. The quality of Momsilk products appears to be acceptable for the price point. While they may not be quite as luxurious or durable as significantly more expensive brands, they seem to be genuine silk with the characteristic benefits of silk bedding. Customers who purchase from Momsilk with realistic expectations for a mid-priced silk product generally seem satisfied. Those expecting ultra-premium luxury quality at budget prices are more likely to be disappointed. The main areas where Momsilk could improve based on customer feedback are shipping consistency, customer service responsiveness, and quality control to reduce the incidence of defective products. These are growing pains typical of expanding e-commerce businesses, rather than signs of a scam operation. A true scam would show patterns of deliberately deceiving customers, refusing refunds, or disappearing after taking payments, none of which appears to be systematically happening with Momsilk. If you're considering purchasing from Momsilk, here are some recommendations. First, read the product descriptions and specifications carefully to ensure you're ordering the right size and understanding what you're getting. Second, take advantage of sales and promotional offers when available, since this improves the value proposition. Third, follow the care instructions precisely to maximize the lifespan of your silk products. Fourth, inspect your items immediately upon arrival and contact customer service right away if there are any issues. Fifth, manage your expectations. These are mid-range silk products, not ultra-luxury items. It's also worth considering what you're primarily looking for in silk bedding. If you're mainly interested in trying silk to see if it benefits your hair and skin, Momsilk offers a relatively affordable entry point. If you're looking for the absolute highest quality silk products that will last for many years, you might want to invest in a more premium brand. If you're on a tight budget, you might find even cheaper options, though quality becomes more questionable at the lowest price points. One thing to keep in mind is that individual experiences can vary significantly. Some customers have wonderful experiences with Momsilk and love their products, while others encounter problems. This variation in experience is actually normal for most retail companies and doesn't automatically indicate a scam. Perfect consistency across all customers is nearly impossible to achieve, especially for a growing online business. The fact that Momsilk has been operating for several years, has an active social media presence, engages with customer reviews, and processes returns and refunds all point toward a legitimate operation rather than a scam. Scam websites typically don't invest in long-term brand building, community engagement, or honoring their stated policies. While Momsilk certainly isn't perfect and has areas for improvement, they appear to be a real company selling real products and making genuine efforts to serve customers. In conclusion, Momsilk is a legitimate silk bedding retailer offering mid-range quality products at reasonable prices. They are not a scam, but they're also not a perfect company without any issues. Whether they're the right choice for you depends on your budget, expectations, and priorities. If you're looking for affordable, genuine silk products and can be somewhat flexible about minor imperfections or potential delays, Momsilk is worth considering. If you want guaranteed premium quality with flawless customer service, you might want to invest more in a higher-end brand. The silk bedding market has exploded in recent years with dozens of companies competing for customers, and Momsilk has carved out a niche as an accessible option for people who want real silk without luxury brand pricing. They're serving a real market need and delivering actual products to customers, which is the fundamental definition of a legitimate business. Are they perfect? No. Are they a scam? Also no. They're a real company with real products, real customers, and a real but imperfect track record of customer satisfaction. If you decide to purchase from Momsilk, go in with realistic expectations, take advantage of their return policy if needed, and don't hesitate to contact customer service if issues arise. And remember that with any online purchase, using a credit card or PayPal provides additional buyer protection in case anything goes wrong. Overall, based on our comprehensive investigation examining their website, products, and real customer experiences, we can confidently say that Momsilk is legit and not a scam. Though like any company, they have strengths and weaknesses that potential customers should be aware of before making a purchase decision. That's our complete review of Momsilk. Hopefully this detailed analysis has given you the information you need to decide whether their products are right for you. If you found this review helpful, make sure to check out our other videos where we investigate and review various online retailers to help you shop smarter and avoid actual scams. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.